What is wogging? Wogging is an exercise trend that began in 2008. It's a combination of walking and jogging. Wogging is a perfect next step for walkers who want to begin jogging, but don't yet have the stamina needed to jog at a constant pace. You burn more calories and give your heart more of a workout with wogging than you do with walking alone. This is because the added jogging is like a fast walk, but with more of a rolling motion from the heel to the toes. Avoid keeping your arms tight or fists clenched. Instead, keep your arms loose at your lower waist level. Your head should be up with your eyes looking straight ahead. It's usually recommended that walkers should be at a level where they can walk 30 minutes about 5 days per week before they begin wogging. It's a good idea to ask your doctor if he or she recommends you adding wogging to your walking workouts. Running shoes should be worn when wogging as they absorb the shock to the body. Wogging could be started by walking 4 or 5 minutes and then jogging 2 or 3 minutes. You would repeat these walking and jogging blocks of time until you reach about 30 minutes to complete your workout. Stick to the minutes scheduled for about a week, and then you will most likely be ready to increase the minutes spent jogging rather than walking. For example, walking to 1/2 or 3 minutes and then jogging 5 or 6 minutes may be a reasonable goal for the second or third week. For some, others may not be ready for that until the 4th or even 5th week. The idea of wogging is to have a challenging balance between walking and jogging, but not to overdo it. By the 5th or 6th week of wogging, you may be ready for a schedule of 2 minutes of walking and 8 to 10 minutes of jogging. Wogging can often be done for about 30 minutes 3 days a week to start, and then perhaps adding a 4th day could be a good idea, depending on a person's fitness level and goals. The remaining days in the week can be spent at rest or on other activities to complement the wogging workouts, such as swimming or biking. Weight training is another option.